Welcome friends to the another tutorial of Android Studio. In this video we will see how to install Android Studio on Windows. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome or any of the browser which you are familiar to. Just simply type Android Studio download and hit press. Then you have to go to the first link. Once the link is open, you have to click on the Android Studio download. Always download the latest version of Android Studio. You have to agree the approval and again click on the download Android Studio. It will automatically start downloading your Android Studio.
A few moments later.
And so once the exe file is downloaded, you have to just double click on it and it will start installing. It will take some time to open the process and all. Make sure you just provide a full internet connection to your laptop or your PC while installing the software. You have to just do next, and install. And you can see that all the files are extracting and it started installing. And as you can see that it's completed. You have to just press next and finish. And now it will open an Android Studio. It will take some time to open when you are opening it for the first time. And make sure that you have an 8 GB RAM or more than it, so it will work perfectly on your laptop or PC. So as you can see that it has opened. And when you are opening it for the first time, you have to go to starts and all. So As you can see that all the files are getting downloaded and shrinking together, and when you are doing it for the first time ever on your PC or laptop, it will take hardly 1 hour to download the Gradle file and SDK files. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and in next video we will see how to open the new project in Android Studio. So till that, keep calm and keep coding.